Hi guys, this video will be a complete guide about the Fibonacci retracement. You will learn to understand the Fibonacci, how to apply it to the chart, and how you can use it for your trading. You will understand the ratios and how they can help you to identify potential areas of support and resistance, and how they can help you to decide whether to open or close a position or where to place your stops and your targets. But always remember, as I always point out, never use one single trading tool as a whole strategy. Also not Fibonacci retracement, only in addition. We will start out with the basics of the Fibonacci retracement, and then we will continue with how to use them as a powerful part of trading strategies. So make sure you stay till the end. Let's keep the theory short. According to Fibonacci, there are three striking levels: 31.8, 50 and 38.2%. These are the levels with the highest percentage where the market pullback ends and the trend is continuing. It doesn't mean that it always works out. It's just a game of numbers, like trading always is. So it doesn't mean the market can't break the trend if you use it. It's all about the highest percentage. So if the pullback reaches this area around here between those three percentages, it is most likely that the return is going to take place. If the market continues further, you should be really cautious and really think about maybe not placing an order right there, because in the statistics it says if it goes further through, there's not a big possibility for a trend continuation. Now let's have a look how to apply it to the chart. As you see, we're here in a downtrend. So we take the last high and pull it all the way down to the last low. And then we can make it longer to see how far the market is coming back. And as you see, the market reached the 50% line, went a little bit through, but then returned. So exactly reached that area where there's the highest percentage of a trend continuation and the return of the market to continue down. But always make sure you draw it the right way. So if you're in a downtrend, draw it from upside to the downside, always with the trend. That way you see exactly the percentage, how far the market is coming back. This way the Fibonacci retracement can always help you to evaluate where the pullback is going to end and where you could place an order and help you to put your stop loss or your target and so on. So now from the theory, let's go practically and see how we could use this in a strategy. So for the first step, let's start out and identify the ongoing trend, which is in this case a clear downtrend. We can put the trend lines here to make it a little clearer. But I think you see that there's an ongoing downtrend. So after we identified the ongoing trend, we will identify the last swing high and the last swing low and apply the Fibonacci retracement to the chart. Now let's stretch it to our pullback. And you see the pullback is coming up until the 50% line. In most cases, you will probably see the pullback reaching the 50 and the 61% level and finding support there. Only in strong trends, the price will only go until the 38.2% line and will be respected there. In most cases, you will see the 50 and 61.8 line respected. The pullback reacting to the 50% line is an indication for the ongoing downtrend. But before we enter a trade, we need confirmation for this. And for the confirmation, you can use different strategies. You can either use an indicator, for example, like the moving average, or you can use support and resistance levels, maybe also in combination with the chart or candlestick pattern. So it's always up to you what style you're trading and what you feel comfortable with. We have a strong support and resistance level right here in this area. This is the second argument confirming that this is a high percentage area where the pullback is going to be ending. But for us, this is not enough to enter a trade we look for additional criteria for a trade entry. And as you see, we have a beautiful head, shoulder, head pattern over here, which is giving us the condition to enter a trade right at this point. And now, having scrolled out, our analysis worked really well. The trade was continuing further down. So let's sum up. We had our support and resistance area. The resistance here came support for us at this point. We had a 50% retracement, plus we had the head, shoulder, head formation, which gave us the final confirmation to enter the trade. So this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave me a thumb up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos to come up. See you soon!